Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use audio trending on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. And after this, if you wanna use audio trending on TikTok, so you just click on the audio at the bottom, this one. Click on the audio, and after this, in here you can click on the this one, this bottom. Click on it, and after this, in here you can take the video. So you just press this button like this. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon. Now you can click on you can post this video to your story TikTok, or you can click on this next for the post the video to your feed, your TikTok apps. So that's how to use audio trending on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.